This is the label accuracy assurance agent. In labeling operations, the error usually don't occur at the final stage. They start earlier when the product changes, regulatory updates, or packaging variations are not reflected in the labels. So this agent proactively identifies such risk before the approval or the printing, ensuring the compliance and preventing the costly downstream issues like rework or the scrap. So let us test the agent. Here I am asking the agent to check if the label 001 is still valid before the approval. So here agent is checking whether a label is still valid before it is approved. It evaluates the latest product specification signals. So the agent detect a product specification change and identify this as a high risk scenario. So as a result, the label 001 is not valid for approval at this time. So the approval is blocked and the agent recommends updating the label before proceeding. So this will prevent the outdated labels from being approved and entering the production. So here I am asking the agent that can we proceed with the printing label 004? Now, before printing, the agent validates whether all the execution conditions are aligned. So the agent identify both the product product specification change and packaging variation. So this combination will create a high risk situation. So as a result, the printing cannot be proceeded for the label 004. It is blocked until the label is updated and validated. So this will avoid the incorrect label being printed, which can lead to the rework, scrap, or compliance risk. Here I am asking the agent, is label 003 ready for the execution? So in this case, the agent evaluates a label where no risk signals are present. Since there are no product changes, regulatory updates, or packaging variations, the agent marks this as a low risk. So, as a result, label 003 is ready for execution. It is allowed to execute, and the label is ready for the approval, printing, or and applications. Here I ask the agent that which labels have high risk and require immediate intervention. So the agent provides a consolidated view of all high risk labels requiring the immediate attention. So here is the list of all the labels with the high or critical risk along with their issues and recommended actions. So, for example, label 015, for label 015, it is marked as a critical because it includes the product change, then regulatory update, packaging variations. So this will help the operation teams to prioritize the actions and prevent the compliance failure proactively. Similarly, we can see for other labels like label 012, it has the product specification change and packaging variation. So it is considered as a high risk. So by intervening before approval and printing, this agent ensures the labeling accuracy. It reduces the compliance risk and prevents the costly downstream corrections, enabling a more reliable and proactive labeling process.